this is Emma's whelping box. The panels that I started with were thin, the outside horizontal lines, so I went back and got thicker wood, and I just designed it. I saw maybe 3 or 4 designs online, and I wanted to make my own so I could put my own just decorative design inside. And I ordered the French toile online wallpaper, and I made the railings and the box, and I put a door with a hinge on it, and it might just big some. Hey, so this is Emma. Go inside, in your house. There's a little bone she likes to chew. That is Emma. And I'm going to be closing this to keep the puppies warm. She'll be whelping in here. Little hinge to keep the puppies safe and warm. And so the puppies will be staying in here for 3 weeks. 2.5 weeks they'll start to potty train inside here. I made slots inside for the railing so I could just slide them out and just store everything flat. So just the last part, I need to put the wallpaper in there on that, just to cover that part up. But she seems to like it. She's comfortable in it. She's been kind of sleeping in this area the past 2 weeks. I just slowly put it together and just put the finishing touches the past weekend. Yep. Originally I had made it larger by 5 inches on both sides, but I made a mistake on the edges. It was too thin, and it just broke off, so I had to make it shorter. Which I look back now and I'm thinking that I should have left it longer. So the next time I make a box, I'll make it definitely larger. I'll have to make another in addition so that the puppies can climb out and go to a different area. Well, in about 3 weeks from now, when the puppies are walking around, I'm going to break this box down and put them in a larger pen so they can have more room to walk around and potty train. Emma likes it here. So we're expecting her in the next few days, or maybe she'll go full term by this weekend. Right, Emma? 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 Emma, it's your bone. I'll show you the deer bone. This was one of the larger bones. Let me show the camera. Wait, Emma. Off. Leave it. So this was one of the larger deer bones, and we've had this for how many weeks now? And it's been with Biko, it's been with Ayla, and it's I think it's about 1/3 of the size now. It's still pretty big. Wait, just for the video. He likes that. Okay, good girl. So I put down her food, a new scoop this morning, and she's looked like she barely touched it. So I'm just going to monitor her. Hey, silly. Whelping box. Inside. Go inside your box. Go inside. Not you, Cam. Get out of there, Cam. No. Stay. No. Stay inside your box. No. Get out of there, Cam. Go inside. Stay inside. Sit. Stay there. Stay. Okay? Stay there. That's just Molly. Like your whelping box? Okay. Couple more days. Countdown. Probably before this weekend. We'll see how she is in the next few days. Right, Emma? Okay, Emma? Hey, Emma. Like your whelping box? Yeah? Okay. Good. So I got her lamp here to warm her up a little bit. so it keeps the puppy safe and warm. And when she's nursing, I'll be closing this door to keep all the puppies safe and warm. And the puppies will be whelped here and remain here for 3 weeks till they are big enough to be in to be trained to go on the potty pads and pellets. So about 3 weeks I'll start with the pellets, or 2.5 to 3 weeks. I'll probably start the pellets inside that whelping area, and then we'll break the box down, and then we'll go to a bigger pen since the puppies will be moving around more. Hey Cam, wanna go say hi to Emma? Cam, wanna be in the video? Come here, go to say hi to Emma. Go say hi to Emma. Hey, no chewing that. I'll give you a toy, but don't chew that. Emma, no chewing the towel. Yucky towel. No. Yucky towel. So at 12:10, the first puppy was born. Firstborn is a baby girl. She's mostly red with a white marking on her head and on her chest. Second is a female, red, was born at 12:19. Third pup is born at 12:30. It's a male. So we got 2 females and 1 male. The firstborn was the biggest. Firstborn, she was breached, so I had to give her some help. Oh, the fourthborn is coming out right now. I see the puppy.
Let's roll the tape. So I started off with just 4 sheets of 2 foot by 4 foot plywood. Get that already pre-done. And then I measured down, we're doing paper doll technology again, measured down 12 inches and 3/4 inch wide, which is the thickness of the plywood. And then I just cut out 2 slots, one on each side, they're about 2 inches in from the side, on each one. So basically you get that piece. You're gonna repeat that exact same thing 4 times. So very, very easy, simple. Then take one of the pieces and find the center, get anything that's large and round and draw a half circle, extend the lines up, and this is gonna be for the mom's door. Go ahead and cut that out. Now to hold the door in place, I wanted something very simple that didn't require hinges or anything like that. So I just got wood discs and wood letters and sort of sandwiched them. Disc on one side, letter I chose H and F, but you could use the puppy's names, your family name, what have you. So that gets us our actual box pieces. Now next
the puppy rail helps to prevent puppies being squished, smashed from their mama dog. This is very important to have in your whelp box.
4 tri-corners. So that I just use a little oh look, they fall. I know.